Rescuing curry from misconceptions. Craving a steaming bowl of curry but tired of the misconceptions surrounding this delightful dish? Look no further. This article delves into the curry realm, dispelling falsehoods and shattering preconceived notions that have lingered for too long. Whether you're a devoted enthusiast or a skeptical observer, prepare to be astounded by revelations about this cherished culinary delight. Introduction. What is curry? The term curry has Tamil origins and found its way into various languages, including English. Additionally, words like poppadom, congee, mulligatawny, rasam, and mango were borrowed from Tamil, introduced during the 16th century through Portuguese influence, with the British East India Company being established in the 17th century. In ancient Tamil literature, curry had diverse meanings, denoting black pepper at times and referring to dishes consumed with grains like rice, wheat, or millets at other times. Tamil people engaged in spice trading, connecting with foreign traders for over 3,000 years. Seafaring Tamil traders ventured abroad to sell spices and commodities like sea pearls. The term curry, referring to a diverse range of dishes, gained popularity globally, leading to variations influenced by different parts of the world. Although Tamil cuisine is linked with curry, it has evolved to suit various cultures, resulting in a rich array of tastes, ingredients, and cooking methods. Curry is strongly associated with the Tamils, who have inhabited southern regions of India and northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka for centuries. Labeling it as anything other than Tamil curry is inaccurate. The heart of this dish lies in the harmonious amalgamation of spices, herbs, and a luscious sauce or gravy, resulting in a delectable and aromatic culinary delight. Common elements include turmeric, cumin, coriander, ginger, and garlic. Curry offers a variety of protein options and versatility in vegetable choices, allowing individuals to create personalized meals catering to different dietary preferences. The curry of the Tamils experienced a renaissance with the arrival of the Portuguese, who introduced chili and various other vegetables. Subsequently, the Dutch, French, and British contributed to the further development and innovation of this cuisine over approximately 450 years. Common misconceptions about curry. Despite its widespread appeal, curry has faced numerous misunderstandings throughout its history. This article aims to dispel common misconceptions surrounding this cherished cuisine and provide a deeper understanding of its authentic essence. Myth 1. All curries are spicy. There is a common misconception assuming that all curries are inherently spicy. While some can be fiery, not all possess spiciness. The spiciness level can be modified, and numerous curries can be enjoyed with mild or no heat. Incorporating spices in curry extends beyond adding heat. They enrich flavors and aromas. White curry describes non-spicy versions. Curries offer diverse spice combinations, resulting in a wide array of flavor profiles. The intensity of spiciness in curry is customizable, not an inherent trait. Over 450 years of European colonization, curry underwent Europeanization, giving rise to white curry. Some individuals, unaware of this, claim to invent new recipes like chicken tikka masala, which, unfortunately, includes double cream, contributing to high fat content and health risks associated with combining cream and fatty meats. Myth 2. Curry is a single dish or flavor. Many wrongly believe that curry refers to a solitary dish or flavor. However, curry is a versatile term, encompassing a wide range of dishes and snacks with unique flavors, ingredients, and cooking methods. From Thai red and green curry to Indian butter chicken and tikka masala, possibilities are limitless. Curries vary in richness, creaminess, lightness, and tanginess. Every region and culture adds its distinctive touch, resulting in a wide range of flavors and ingredients, reflecting the culinary customs and legacy of various communities. Myth 3. Curry is found in many cuisines. Similar to the English language, curry has become popular worldwide, introduced by traders visiting Tamils for spices and by Tamil traders venturing abroad. After the medieval period, European traders and colonialists played a significant role in spreading curry. The Portuguese introduced a post-chili version of curry to Malacca, Thailand, Japan, and China, Macau, while the Dutch brought it to their colonies in Indonesia and South Africa. The French introduced curry to Mauritius, the Reunion Islands, and Indochina. Additionally, the British played a part in disseminating curry by relocating Tamils as laborers to many of their colonies following the abolition of the Slavery Act in 1833. Although Tamil cuisine is renowned for curries, curry is not limited to Indian cuisine alone. It is a misconception to associate curry solely with India. Curry's versatility allowed it to be embraced worldwide, resulting in a delightful fusion of global flavors. However, for non-Tamils, curry is more of a casual culinary exploration than a mainstream culinary culture. Just like the English language, even though it is spoken widely, it may not be the primary language of many nations. Thai cuisine is famous for flavorful and spicy curries like green curry and massaman curry, made with a special combination of herbs and spices. Curry dishes in these countries might include unconventional meats like crocodile, but Tamils do not consume such meat. Caribbean cuisine takes pride in unique interpretations of curry, shaped by abundant historical background and diverse cultural influences. Caribbean curries are characterized by ingredients like creamy coconut milk, fiery Scotch bonnet peppers, and a medley of flavorful Caribbean spices. An important difference between Bangladeshi or Pakistani curry and Caribbean or Mauritian curry is that the latter has direct involvement of Tamil people who migrated there, whereas for the former, the curry was introduced by the British. Breaking stereotypes, different types of curries from around the world. Now that we have debunked some common misconceptions surrounding curry, let's explore the different types of curries worldwide. Each region brings its flair and unique combination of flavors to this beloved dish. Curry variations in Indian cuisine. Indian cuisine is renowned for its variety of curries, encompassing a wide range of flavors and cooking styles. After debunking common misconceptions about curry, let's explore the rich assortment of curries worldwide. Each region offers its unique twist, blending flavors and techniques to create this beloved culinary delight. It's worth mentioning that biryani and samosa have roots in Arab or Persian cuisine, and although marketed as Indian curry in the UK, they are not authentically Tamil curry. Northern Indian cuisine is famous for indulgent and velvety textures seen in dishes like butter chicken and Rogan Josh, often featuring ingredients like tomatoes, cashews, and yogurt. In contrast, southern Indian curries, especially Tamil curry, have a lighter and more coconut-centric character. Popular dishes include fish curry and vegetable korma. Curry variations in Thai cuisine. Thai curries are famous for incredible taste sensations and vivid hues, with red, green, and yellow varieties being the most popular. Red curry, prepared using red chili peppers, garlic, lemongrass, and fragrant spices, is bold and fiery. Green curry, with green chili peppers, Thai basil, and coconut milk, is slightly sweeter and less spicy. Yellow curry, less intense in spiciness, highlights turmeric, giving it a vivid yellow hue. Curry variations in Caribbean cuisine. Caribbean curries are a delightful blend of African, Indian, and European influences, resulting in a distinctive amalgamation of flavors. The Caribbean curry tradition owes much to Tamils who migrated to the region during British colonialism. Caribbean curries frequently incorporate coconut milk, allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, and thyme, known for robust and fiery tastes balanced by the creamy richness of coconut milk. Jamaican curry is a popular Caribbean curry, known for its blend of aromatic spices like turmeric, coriander, and cumin. It enhances the flavors of traditional Jamaican dishes like curry goat or curry chicken, playing a significant role in local culinary traditions. Conclusion: embracing the diversity of Tamil curry and debunking misconceptions. Tamil curry is a dish that unites people from different backgrounds with its exquisite flavors and captivating aromas, symbolizing the vastness and diversity of our global culinary heritage. Caribbean curries offer a unique and unforgettable taste. Essential elements include coconut milk, allspice, Scotch bonnet peppers, and thyme, resulting in daring and fiery flavors perfectly balanced by the velvety richness of coconut milk. By dispelling misconceptions surrounding curry, we can truly appreciate the profound depth and rich tapestry of flavors that this beloved dish brings to our global culinary table.